Hi everyone, I'm Sio from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to change duration of Telegram story. Adjusting the duration lets you control how long your story is visible to your audience, making it more flexible for your needs. So, let's get started on how to change duration of Telegram story. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Now, tap on the plus icon from the top right corner of your screen. Then, tap on the gallery option from the bottom left corner. Select the photo or video that you want to add to your story. Now, look for the 24-hour icon next to add a caption option and tap on it. You will see various duration options for your story. Please note that to access this feature, you need to subscribe to Telegram Premium. If you have the subscription, simply tap on your preferred time duration. And this is how you can change duration of Telegram story. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.